Hello YouTube, Reseller Mom here. Welcome to today's video. Today is going to be a short little video on Amazon FBA's Small and Light program. So this is for anybody selling on Amazon and wants to know more about the Small and Light program. I'm going to go over what it is, how to get your items into it, and a breakdown example on what the fees look like before and after enrolling into the program. So thank you for joining me. As always, if this video helps you, a like and subscribe is always appreciated. Let's jump right in. The first screen that I have here is a couple of snippets of information on how to get to the program and find out the parameters of it. So if you go from left to right here, on the left, if you go to the help button in your Amazon Seller Central and you type in Small and Light program and hit the little search button, you're going to see a bunch of what's just parameters with the program, what they include, what they don't include, etc. And if you scroll down a little bit, it will say product enrollment, and you can go ahead and click the Small and Light product enrollment page, and that will bring you to the page where you can enroll your products. This is always helpful. I bookmark a lot of things that are helpful like this. I have, let's see here. I have seller help bookmarked. I have the G10 exemption page bookmarked. Pretty much anything with Amazon that I'm going to use frequently and I don't want to keep finding over and over, I will go ahead and bookmark it. But if you don't have it bookmarked, that is how you find it. Now, all this information that's with it, the things that are kind of the most important to know is what it is and then what is restricted. So, Small and Light program helps reduce the cost of fulfilling orders for small and lightweight FBA inventory. Basically, they're going to pay less on shipping, so they're going to give you some of those savings. Products that are enrolled are available with free shipping to Prime customers, so you want to make sure your Prime customers are still getting that Prime button, because when we sell on FBA, that's pretty much who we're targeting, right? We're targeting Prime people. Let's see here. The products that are not eligible, this is good to kind of know and get yourself familiar with, and you can go and click on these again. They were up in this blurb as well. Crushable products, crushable products such as potato chips and glass are eligible as long as they're properly packaged. So they have a list of restricted products, FBA prohibited products, adult products, dangerous goods products, temperature sensitive such as chocolates, and slow moving. Now don't worry too much about the slow moving. Basically what I do is I go ahead and grab the ASIN and try to enroll it, and if it kicks it back and says no, this is not available for the program, then it's not available for the program, and that's fine. If you're not sure and you're like, is this candy considered meltable or not, go ahead and try it, because the worst that can happen is it tells you no, it's not available. So if we go ahead and click on this Small and Light product enrollment, it brings up this page right here. Now it's a little bit longer. There's some other stuff. If you have, I think you can do a file upload and stuff, but I don't really mess with that. I just do one by one, or put in a bunch. You can have up to 1,700 characters, and this is for the quick enroll. So the quick enroll allows you to enroll up to 100 products with fewer steps. So you can learn about the program here. You can enroll products. You can disenroll products. I don't know why you'd want to disenroll products. Maybe if you, I don't know why. Maybe if you're going to up the price. I'm sure somebody has a reason. I haven't figured out one yet. And what you're going to enter into this box is your SKU. So not your ASIN. Sorry if I said ASIN earlier. It's SKU. So you've got to go over to, I usually just grab it from my inventory page. And the quickest way to kind of go through this in mass is to go to your inventory page and then sort by what you have your items priced as, from lowest to highest, because you're looking for anything under $7, right? So pretty much anything under $7, I'm going to go grab the SKU, dump it into here, and then once I have a bunch in here, I'm going to hit check availability, or eligibility, not availability, eligibility, It's Friday. We gotta have some fun with this video, right? Okay, so check the eligibility and you will get this status that says eligible, if it's eligible. If it's ineligible, it will probably tell you the reason why. I had a couple that popped back that said the velocity is not enough to, to be part of the program, or this product's already enrolled in the small and light program, or like weighs too much or something. So it will have a reason why you can't have it join. Now you're going to click the little checkbox and then enroll the selected products. It is literally that easy. It is really, really easy. So when I figured out, and I guess I'm late to the game, a lot of people have been using this, and I thought it was more complex until I sat down and did it, and it was so easy. I was like, I wish I had done this long time ago when it was first came out. All right, so once it's eligible, the fees are going to change on your inventory page. So this is just what it looks like once you hit that enroll button. It's going to say successfully enrolled, and you will receive an email confirmation, and by clicking confirm, you're only enrolling products with dimensions less than 18 by 14 by 8 and no more than 12 ounces. So again, these are for small and light products. But if you are wanting to know the parameters, 12 ounces, 18 by 14 by 8, which in my mind, that's still kind of on the large size, and could definitely apply to many items that are out there on Amazon. Now, the less than $7 though, I don't have a huge amount that is less than $7 because I like to sell higher dollar items if at all possible, but I do have some fast movers that are consistent every month that are under that $7 thing. All right, you do get a little email that says your item is now enrolled in the small and light program. If you've ever heard me talk about auto filing emails, that one is going to go on my auto file to just go ahead and file, so I don't have to get the email so much. Okay, and now we're going to go through an example here. I am apologizing if this looks a little fuzzy. It looks a little fuzzy to me, but it could be just my eyes. This is the fees beforehand and fees afterhand. So it went from $3.45 to $2.91, and this is on a $5 item. So it's a really cheap item. This would be, your Dollar Tree type of items, wholesale, small goods, etc. But it's a savings of 54 cents. And 54 cents out of $5, may not seem a lot, but if you're moving 100 of these a month, that's $50. That's $50 just sitting on the table. That is just a fee difference, and all I had to do was click enroll, and now I'm saving money. And some products you may even move more than 50 a month, maybe selling hundreds a month. I don't know. This is what the email looks like. Your request to enroll the products in the small and light on, let's see here, this one was done on the 15th. Today is the 22nd. I'm finally getting around to shooting this video. As I walked through this, I went ahead and took the screenshots on the 15th so that I could share them with you so you could save some money too. But this is what it looks like, and you can download what they are there. There's really nothing interesting to this email. It's a standard Amazon email that's pretty basic. If you click the download button, this is what it's going to look like. I got these items for 65 cents. This is how my merchant SKUs are built in Inventory Lab, and I have them by store name _ price I paid _ random number. And a friend of mine recently was trying to tell me about the merits of one more underscore and the buy box price. So that way when you're going back and you're looking at what your intended buy box price was, you have that there too. Anyhow, if you build SKUs in Inventory Lab, it's a great little thing to help you out in other programs. All right, so that's all pretty much what this sheet says. There's no reason to really keep this or look at it too much. And this, I believe, is my last slide. So this is another example. And in this example, the initial fees was $3.26. The price was going for $7.06. but the buy box was at 685 or 684, 685 at the time, and I think it switched down to 684 when I was clicking through. Prices change all the time with repricers out there. But at $7.06, it's not going to work, right? Because it's over that $7 threshold. So you'd have to go and lower your price, wait for that change to go through in Amazon, and then enroll into the small and light. And I wanted to kind of see what the difference was, right? If I have a product that's just at that maybe a couple cents over that $7 mark, would it make sense to bring the price down to get the buy box and enroll in the program? That's what I did. So when I brought the price down to $6.84 and enrolled it in the small and light, I then paid $2.71. So you can see here the difference in fees. And if you calculate it out, the $7.06 minus $3.26 in FBA fees minus my cost of goods on this item was $2.92. I get 88 cents profits per item, per sale, but I wasn't getting the buy box because the other people were priced lower than me. And some items, I had been pricing and I couldn't figure out how people were selling it lower than me or sourcing it at such a low price that, were they just getting such a better deal at the wholesalers? These were wholesale items. Or, what trick did they know that I didn't know, because I didn't want to lose money on items with some pricing. Okay, so back to this example, $7.06, you minus your fees and your cost of goods, I got 88 cents in profit. If I bring the price down to $6.84, I now have the buy box, and my fees are lowered, and I actually increase my profits to $1.21. So that's over 30 cents more per item, and I have the buy box. So I'm going to be moving the product, which is what I want, right? We all, in the end of the day, we want to make more money and move more product. So this was definitely a win-win for a lot of my products out there. And definitely after putting together these slides, I went through and I enrolled everything and anything that I could, and went through and kind of checked pretty much anything from, up to I'll say probably about $8, and kind of looked at my cost of goods, looked at the volume, looked at the profit range, and did a bunch of adjusting to get into the small and light program. That's it, folks. If this video helped you out at all, a like and subscribe is appreciated. And if you have any comments you want to leave down below, I'd love to hear from you. Take care and have a great day.